السلام عليكم متابعين حكاية بالدارجة. من قديم الأزل، والمرآة أو المراية كانت بوابة للعالم الآخر، عالم الأشباح والعفاريت. تقريبا في كل الحضارات عندهم قصص وأساطير على أرواح وسحرة كيسكنو المراية. داكشي علاش من كنا صغار كنا كنسمعو ماتشوفش في المراية بالليل. واش هادشي صحيح ولا غير كلام سيادنا الاولين؟ نخليكم مع هاد المقاطع المصورة فيها رعب من نوع اخر.
Hi, it's Kelly. I haven't been down here in a really long time, like a month or two. After what happened, I couldn't come down here. So, but my family's come down here a lot, and so has my brother, and they say they've seen nothing, and my brother, I made him look through every single room and everywhere, and there's nothing here, and I need to finish this video, so I'm doing it. So, this is a turning board, and I'm going to turn it. Mom, is that? Why is this door opening? Hello? Mom, is that? Why is this door opening? Hello?
You see this right now? You see this, right? You do see this, right? Uncle Larry, is Jeffrey in here?
Right here, we're working on the bathroom.
Jeffrey, say something.
Huh?
Say something.
Asshole.
Fuck you. Hold on, guys, come in here.
Why?
Come in here.
I'm in the middle of fucking
Just-
beat.
Yeah, just. I'm not seeing things, right? You see it, Corn? Guys, come in here. I'm being dead.
Jesus. Where you at? What are you doing? The hell's that? Is the
Don't move, don't say anything.
fucking looking at?
You see this, right?
Yeah. Yeah, it's just floating in the air.
Jeffrey, I thought you were doing everything.
What are you talking about?
I thought you were doing everything.
Is that a person?